group discussion only related to this topic. Anything you want to ask me before I start and give you this topic? Anything related to any query if you have before I give you this topic and we started? So again, 3 parts: introduction, body, and then conclusion. I think we are clear about these 3 parts. So yeah, should I start?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So the name of the topic is mental health issues during COVID. Mental health issues during COVID. That's the name of the topic. So I give you 30 seconds to think over this, and then we started. Mental health issues during COVID. So think of some structure, some kind of classification, and then how you can proceed forward in the body, and then conclusion part. So mental health issues during COVID. That is the topic. Mental health issues during COVID. Okay, so I think we can start it. Sagar, we can start from you. Please introduce for 2 minutes. Yeah.
Good evening, everyone. Myself Sagar, and today's our GD topic is mental health issues during the COVID pandemic. It's very relatable to everyone because everyone has gone through this phase and facing a lot many issues regarding physically as well as mentally. If I would talk about this topic, then it can be classified, or it can be broadway classified into 3 categories. The issues seen in the age groups of a particular human being, like older people, then youngsters, and then children. So there are some common issues all the age groups are facing, but some of them are different for the particular age group. So I open the house for the discussion on this topic. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, Siddharth.
Yes, sir. So, good evening, friends. My name is Siddharth. So, I would like to take the opportunity to open the discussion on the topic people in need of mental health issues during COVID.
Okay.
So, this is a very relatable topic to all of us, and we need to know that people from all areas of life, like those who have suffered from COVID, those who are in lockdown, as well as those who are in support systems like doctors and all of us have certain problems to face. So I'm looking forward to a very interesting discussion. Thank you.
Okay, Amresh.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Amresh Kumar. So I am very glad to initiate the discussion. So, friends, the today topic for the group discussion is mental health issue during the COVID-19. So this is very thought-provoking topic and current relevant topic also. So in this topic, we can think about this topic in two ways. During this pandemic, we have seen that the pandemic affect the people in two ways, either physically or mentally. So if you see, the more people are affected physically in this pandemic compared to physically, and the reason behind this is due to the pandemic, everything is locked down, unemployment, and these are the reason. So I would like to everyone please contribute your opinion in this discussion. So
Okay. So now I think Vaibhav.
Good evening, all of you. My name is Vaibhav, and I am glad to start the discussion. Today's topic for GD is mental health issues during COVID-19. I believe that this topic is very important for health issue and current relevance. The COVID affect only those people who make positive. It affects those who are negative on the basis of basic of their mental health issue. Mental health issue. I I like about COVID due to that overthinking is generated, and that's why we have facing this mental health issue. We use our energy in proper direction, but we use in wrong direction. That is the main reason we face. So we have to conclude that how we overcome this mental health issue. Thank you.
Okay, Ram.
Hello.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Ramkrishan Yadav, and I'm glad to start the discussion on our GD topic, that is mental health issue during COVID. During COVID, in my opinion, this topic is of current relevance, and I believe that everyone has faced this mental issue during the COVID lockdown from March 2020, and everyone came up with their own solutions to tackle these issues. I give a little knowledge about COVID. This COVID belongs to a virus family which is known as SARS-CoV-2, and it is start from Wuhan fish market, and the first case is detected on December 2019. That's why it is called COVID-19. Now I open the house for discussion.
Okay, Kiran, do you know the topic?
Yes, sir.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, good evening, friends. My name is Kiran. I am initiating the group discussion. The topic that is given to us is mental stress during the COVID pandemic. So I agree that many of the people are facing this mental stress due to COVID-19, due to lockdown and all. So I would like to initiate the discussion with the two parts. First one is which type of people are being affected due to this COVID-19 mentally, in stress wise and all, and how we can tackle this situation. So first of all, in my opinion, there is 4 category of people that is mainly we can classify. First one is the person who is having COVID. They are having the fear of death and all. So due to that, there is depression and all. And the second category is the children's. In this, the children's is supposed to be playing with their own age group. It is not possible nowadays, due to which their mental health is they may have problem in their adolescence and youth and all due to this. And the third category is the health workers. They are continuously working, due to which stress is developing in these people. And the fourth one is the people who is uncertain about the future, who all lost their job and all. So I think we should discuss each category separately, and I am opening the discussion with this note.
Okay, Ritvik.
Good evening, friends. Here myself, I'm Ritvik. So, an present topic given to us is whether mental health is being affected by COVID-19. Whereas I personally feel that the present pandemic has affected all over the world, and it induced a kind of degree of fear into us, and it also affected people irrespective of category, whether they are kids, whether they are children, or whether they are old people, or whether they are young. And I personally feel that this pandemic has brought a lot of awareness in our personal development, and I think we all will have some really good topics to be discussed, and finally we'll conclude something. And I'm passing you this question.
Okay, Vinayak.
Good evening, friends. My name is Vinayak. I take an opportunity to start the group discussion. Friends, the topic given us for the discussion is mental health during COVID. I think the topic is of current relevance and is a very important topic as many people are affected by this mental health. I think this mental health problem we can see in the people of all the ages, starting from the students who are studying in schools to the people who are doing jobs and old age people. There may be certain different reasons maybe. So first one, it may be due to the online education where it has increased our the screen time as it was physically before. So it has increased our screen time. So mentally more students as well as teachers both are affected by this mental health. And second one is the we have started, that is work from home in IT jobs, where we can see that they are paying for how many hours we are working, accordingly they are paying. So there also some mental issues are there because some who are earning more money, they are working more hours, so they are feeling stress also. In one more is doctors and nurses, where before they were working, some time limit was there, so now they are working more than the hours they are required. I think this is also one more problem. And one more is daily routine time they have changed accordingly how work from home like we have seen. So daily routine has changed, so it will affect mentally also and physically also. And one more is many jobs were also lost. So and we can see their online education mental health due to this also. Why? Because in India we can see the people are very average level only, so they are unable to buy smartphones and laptop also. So I think this is the major reason. And one survey also conducted, in that it was said that the people between 18 to 24 are affected by this mental health. So I think these are some categories. So now we can discuss this in our group discussion.
Okay, so I think first part everyone has done. That was the introduction part. Now we enter into second part, which will last for approximately 10 minutes. So this is the discussion part in which all of you are to discuss among you. So I expect a smooth discussion where you are to listen to others and carry forward the discussion. You are to agree, disagree, or give your own points, and try to prevent the kind of chaotic discussion, and try to find out the points so that we can have a very good conclusion later on. So now I open the house for discussion among all of you.
Okay.
Sir, एक doubt.
Hello, friends.
Okay, hold on. Yes, Ram.
सर मतलब ड्यूरिंग डिस्कशन सर मतलब हमें पॉइंट्स लिखना होता है, तो सर मैं तो पूरा फ्लो में ही चला जाता हूँ, मतलब जिसने कोई पूरा सेंटेंस है.
Let's discuss all these things at the end of the discussion, right? We proceed with the discussion first. Okay. So okay, I open the house for the discussion. Please go ahead.
Okay, friends, this is the main issue. Nowadays, this is the big issue because mental health nowadays affected more and more people during the pandemic. According to WHO report, in the 2015, it has given that in India, per million people having only 3 or less than psychiatric is available in India. And also it is mentioned in this pandemic, 7% of the people is affected by mental health. So this is a very big data during this. So there is many reasons why this type of issue is carried over here. So there is lots of reason due to
yes, friend. I think that
everything is lockdown. So everything is lockdown, and unemployment and social recession is the main reason, because more of the child. This is also affected age by age. If you see the data, more of child is during the lockdown is separated in and locked in their home, and there is no any social social activity, like they can't able to
like
meet their friends.
Children are used to play on the ground. Some
also the most affected persons are healthcare workers, because they are continuously working day and night for the people who get diseases like COVID-19.
And as well as people, those who are in lockdown, they are also suffering from stress, isolation, and loneliness, and all those cases. And also there is uncertainty regarding the future. And so the solutions should be provided by the government, as well as the responsibility should be taken by us to prevent all this. the government
Yes,
can
and it's
what
a
can
individual
Yes,
responsibility.
the
government also
can
give
Of,
guidelines
provide
mental
access
during
to
COVID pandemic
pharmaceuticals,
in every
chemicals,
month.
Government is
medicines.
giving some
Beside
guidance.
government,
I would
I
like to add
suggest
my
we
some
should
personal experience.
prepare
First of
our
all, like
own. Making exercises is the best way to avoid this. Talking to
yes,
loved
yes, I
one
agree.
or our close one is the best way to overcome this
Yes,
mental
Vaibhav.
issue.
yes,
Yes,
yes, I
Vaibhav.
agree
Yeah,
with you.
Sometimes
yeah,
what happens is
Vaibhav,
some people are
right.
suffering from
You are
depression.
right.
They need pharmaceuticals, they need support
Uh,
systems
the
outside
the
of
best way the best way
normal
to
routine.
the
So they
best way
need
to
government assistance
Yeah,
as well. So in this lockdown period, what
yeah, yeah.
happens
Government
is
can
Vaibhav, you
do
are
lot
right.
all
things
those
actually.
Exercise
chemicals,
is
Like
exercise.
the
Exercise,
best
yoga,
Exercise,
and meditation also help in
yeah,
this
meditation,
uh,
the best way to
to
play,
overcome the health
fit
is
your
the
mental health
meditation.
and
Meditation give is the stability to your body as well as your health
mental
issue.
pro. Yes.
And
Uh,
So I want to
yes,
add
I
one point.
completely agree
from
with you.
this, yeah, I want to add some new point apart from this. Yeah, yeah, fully agree with this. Mental means meditation, doing meditation, practicing meditation, doing exercise. This is more effective about mental health. But now this situation during COVID-19, we should follow the appropriate guidelines of the COVID-19. So also we can
Yes, there are
avoid
very
from
fake
the,
yes,
news in
yes.
yeah,
WhatsApp
According to
University.
Amish, we should
yeah,
properly guideline,
So
but
we should
yeah.
properly
yes,
wherever
yes,
follow
we
there is
should
some
a lack
We
also
of
can,
information,
give
take into
there
account
is
give them
what
a
lot
kind of
of
news
fake
you
guideline.
are intaking.
information
We
WHO
should only
keeping
rely
on the
on
view,
reliable
WHO
and
sources
helps
the
like
us in the
WHO
disease
original
from
control.
direct
and
sites.
people are far away from the original information. So
Yes, you're right.
Yes,
we
we
should follow in the proper
yeah,
information. In
proper
the
information and
today
proper
world is
guidance
the
so that we
information
can
technology,
decrease
but
our
due
fear.
to the fake information, continuously people
yes,
is thinking in which is the proper way to
yes.
overcome this
That's why there are
recession.
two websites. First website is National Center for Disease Control. They give all the guidelines related to health issues
Yeah, yeah,
like
right,
mentally and
right.
COVID-19 also. And from WHO, there are guidelines related to the mental issues.
Yes, yes, but
Yeah,
these
During
WHO
COVID.
guidelines
also
are not
Government should
accessible
follow.
for
also
everyone
And
actually.
government should
So I
also
think
provide
institutions
a
should
legal
do
website
something
about
to
the
aware these people how to
COVID
handle this mental
information.
issue.
Yes.
So
There
the
is
institutions can
there
do
is
a lot
already there is a
actually.
policy,
They should aware
national
the
health
people.
policy in
Yes,
the,
aside from relying on sources,
yeah.
we should also take care of
The government
Yes.
already issued means
to
a policy, national health policy in this.
And the best way
track
to
at
keep
what
your
times we are
mental
watching news to
health
know.
good is
It's not
that
about
stick to
policy
your
actually.
routine. Because
The
during
people
COVID,
should
I think
come to your house
everyone
somewhere
had get
and
disturbed in
should
their
be
routine.
able to
So
aware.
sticking to your routine will help us to tackle your mental healthness. Because
think
during lockdown we oversleep, we have less lot of loneliness. For loneliness,
Yeah.
we can talk with our friends or relative. We have stress, work stress. Also,
Yeah.
our children's means parent who do job as well as their children. They have to handle both house
I
also
agree
as
with
well
the
as job.
as
So they
Ram
are
said, but I want to add one point that all we can't have. So there must be some health profession also, because I want to add one survey also here. It was given by WHO in 2019, where it was given that 7.5% of the Indian population suffer from this mental disorder, and we have only 4,000 mental. So surely we can
So,
see that it has increased up to the 10%, assuming. So 13 crores people are affected, but we have only 4,000. It was given by WHO. So I think the government should focus on this. We have already act, but they are not implementing properly. I think we have this mental act in 2017. They have created, but I think they are not applying this. I think the government should focus on this also, because in overall
There-
in India also we can see that overall what 15% are from cases are from India only. This was a given report by WHO only.
Yeah. You should
there
think
are news
about
channels which are also
India.
addressing to this mental issue like
In-
Z News and News 18. They also run a program in the morning like at 8 o'clock. They run mental health problem in which they ask from the doctors in their TV channel to give their suggestion to their audience so that they can tackle with this mental issue problem. So I like that news channels promoting this type of awareness in their audience.
Yes, I agree with you.
I think continuously youngster use drugs or alcohol to overcome this. We should avoid that to overcome this.
No, I
Some-
think you are
some-
saying wrong. It is only when it is big, the elders people who have stress, that those who lost their job or they have very much mental pressure,
Yeah.
they only
Ram,
start doing alcohol.
I want to
No,
add
even
some
for
new
that
things.
case, you cannot
I
make the excuse for using drugs and all. I don't think it's
Yes.
right. I think you should stick
It's
to
a complete
things like
wrong. I
exercising,
agree with that.
diet, nutrition, and all, and you have to stick to that
No,
rather than
I want to say
Without any
that
prescription
we
There-
should
Also,
focus-
there is
we
report
should
from the
focus on
Women
that.
and Child
What is the
Welfare
reason why?
Ministry that there is an increase in violence against women and children in their houses.
yes,
So
there's a
they
rise in
also-
domestic violence. Yes.
Yeah,
Domestic
They
violence
also
has
give local
increased.
helpline number to tackle this problem.
Domestic
by the
violence has
government.
drastically changed due to this isolation. The main reason for domestic violence is isolation. People losing their job. They have very much
Losing temperament also. Yes.
losing temperament. People who are living in the tenant house, they have pressure of paying the payment, paying the electric bill. Due to that, they frustrated on their own people. This is the main reason, according to my view.
Now I
want
think
to add one
let's we
point
come
that,
to our solutions.
this
related to
mental
this
health
also.
is this mental health not only related to this mentally, but it will surely affect our physical health. So indirectly, it is affecting our healthcare system. Why? Because during this COVID, already we are facing many issues with COVID patients. But due to these mental health issues, our physical problems are also developing.
Yeah, also
So
Yes,
in
same case in case of older people facing some serious issues like heart disease or any other seriousness. So in that case, if they are mentally fit, they are actually winning the 50% of the battle while facing that issue of heart disease or any blood pressure. So in that
Also,
case,
we have
also,
seen that there is racism in Asians, for Asians people in abroad or other continent because of the virus outbreak that happened from China. So we have seen many cases in Israel or America
Yes,
that
you're
there are
right.
racism
That
against
sort of
Asian
yes,
people.
that sort
Yes,
of
that
stigma should
also
be
causes
avoided.
mental problem
Mental problems. So we should
for
avoid that
our
also.
people.
Yeah. That
People who
stigma
are
and,
people who are in isolation, we should support them by using Zoom. We can call, video call, we connect them. Some people are disconnected. No, this is not the correct way to tackle such people. We should connect that people by in this 21st century. We have a lot more of technology. We use Zoom or video call to continuously upgrade those people who want to disconnect from the society due to this mental stress.
Yeah, Vaibhav. This is one of the way to means we can prevent this mental
yes,
issue.
I also
So
agree
another
with
way,
Vaibhav said.
Also, college going
government
students
should
or school
do
going
something.
children are now using tablets or
first let me
mobile
tell
phone to use.
First, let me conclude. Here, government should do one thing that, this mental health, mental issues come from unemployment. Because of unemployment, domestic violence, they are also come. So
yes, you're right. So managers and all should
so
also be
government
considerable.
government should provide the financial support to the
yes, not only
people,
but also co-workers and
co-worker, all of
would also
all
support
of them.
support those
So-
people who are
but
unemployed.
it is a very small aspect of this situation, mental health. There are many
No, it is not small
also
because
considerable.
if someone supports you through unemployment, you can always
We can
Yes.
see
always
the
find
data.
support and you will
We
always
can
find
see
a way
the
to
data
get back
during
into the game.
I am totally agreed with Amesh. Student like us, we preparing competitive exam. We given the exam and
Yes.
result till not out. Our age is over age. Our
Yes.
pressure is burden from society,
Yeah,
from houses.
Depression and stress is
Yes.
This is one
stress is
of the
developing
also reason.
when we get the job. This is the main reason.
and poor concentration during the
Yeah.
study is also
Yes.
facing
Using mobile phones
by the students.
for more than
There-
3-4 hours
there-
for study.
Yes, talking about
There is
mobile
lot-
phones or addiction to
Yes.
social media like Facebook,
During
WhatsApp,
the
and all, has
pandemic,
also increased, and that are also resulting in
And
stress.
this
Also,
usage
eye
of social
problem
media
are
and
here.
YouTube is also increased in case of children's also, because
Yes.
during free time
Because now
at
they
the
are
home they are using the phones of their parents and they
So
Yeah.
parents are not able to control their usage of these phones and all. So students we have seen students
Yes.
purchase the PUBG for more money and
Yes.
this is also
there are many
happening.
cases where they use their parents' money to buy the weapons in the game.
Yes, yes,
Yes,
yes, yes.
that's
There
also
are
Yeah,
one
parents should also regulate this
addiction.
behavior
Yes.
of children.
I think we
parents
are
should
Keep in
giving
track, and
all the
they should decide it successfully.
come back to stress
Yes.
and
Yes, I
People
think
go
the
I would like
government
to
should
I
also
would like
focus
to share
why,
one of
because
my
in
personal experience how the institution in Kerala helped me to overcome the stress and all. I was affected with COVID-19 in March, and during that time I was very much stressed. But there is some district administration. They were calling me once in 2 days and all, and they were asking me how are you, what is your mental health, and they were giving me some numbers. If you are facing any problems, just contact this. These are the numbers of psychologists, psychiatrists, and all. So just contact them. This kind of work should be done by the institution, the
Yes,
government.
yes. The assessment of a particular patient should be done timely.
Okay, I think now we conclude. So
Yes.
let me start now from Sagar only. Sagar, please conclude now.
Yes, sir. Today we have a very good discussion on this topic, that mental health issues during COVID, and shortly we discuss some issues in the childrens and then youngsters, like depression, stress due to job losses, and the students who are preparing for the competitive exams, they are feeling stress. And remedies to overcome these stresses, health issues, mental health issues, we can actually follow the regular exercise and meditation, and followed by the government guidelines, and we can have the doctors to for the actually the treatment for the overcome these issues. So that's it from my side, and I would like to
Okay,
conclude
Siddharth.
in this way.
Yes, sir. So, friends, we had a very meaningful discussion, and so we all agreed that to get through this pandemic lockdown, we need to be disciplined, and also government can also handle this by allowing the medical stores to be opened in this lockdown period, and providing support systems to students who are facing difficulties, and uh, also yes, we can follow nutrition diet. We can also go through online therapy sessions to face through the problems. Thank you.
Okay. Amlesh.
Yeah. Today we have done the good discussion on health issue during the COVID-19. Some of my friends told that during the COVID-19, most of the people lost their job. So this is one of the also a reason. And my friends, my friends still I was suffering from COVID-19, so I suffered the fear about this. So during this is because of rumor in our society. That is one of the main reason. So I also give my point during the COVID-19, government should take the action about means should financially support to the people who are lost their job, and also parents should care their children to how their activity is going to change during the pandemic. And some of my friends also tell that the nowadays there is lots of uncertainty in the education, like conducting some of organization conducting their exams, and lots of delay are there.
Amlesh,
So
conclude now. 1 minute only.
this also means cause of stress in the student. That's all. Thank you.
Vaibhav.
Okay, friends, okay, friends. I take the opportunity to, on the behalf of all, I conclude that we have today have a good discussion, but our points are divided. So we have smooth discussion. There are various points which I feel good to overcome this. We have firstly the proper guidelines from WHO and government, talking to the people who are recovery from the COVID, and most important to set our routine. Daily exercise give us energy to ensure talking to loved one or close friend to to overcome this mental issue. Meditation, I think meditation is the best way to overcome this. Eat well, sleep well, and maintain the healthy diet and stay positive always, and people and friends around you is also positive. There is the most important positive environment around you makes you positive thing. Thank you.
Okay, now I think Ram, proceed. Ram?
Yes. Okay, everyone. I take this opportunity to conclude our discussion. Friends, we have a good discussion, and we can conclude our topic in two parts. The first part is the problems that we have faced. The problems due to the problem causes are cause the problems are like stress during for stresses in job or handling their children's, loneliness due to isolation, sleeping problem for many people, and also we cannot stick to our routines. So these are the main causes which causes our mental health issue. And for this we have discussed some solutions. So the solutions are talking with our friends or relative. Second, spending time with family, that will make us happy. Third, use readable resources like WHO website and in India National Center for Disease Control. And fourth, and the most effective way, is doing exercise, yoga, and meditation for 20 to 30 minutes per day or a week will help us to tackle this problem. Thank you.
Kiran?
Okay, friends, I'm taking the opportunity to conclude this discussion. We had a good discussion. So we discussed different aspects of this problem, different category of people who is affected by the stress. We discussed about the stress in students and the stress in workers, stress in health workers and all. And we concluded some solutions. We found out some solutions to tackle these situations, like the people should start doing exercise, and the parents should be able to control their children, and we should talk to our friends, and we should call our friends more frequently, the isolated friends more frequently. And the government institution should give proper guidance, and we should be able to access these guidelines and all properly. So we found out these kind of solutions also. I think our discussion was really nice, and we gathered more information by this.
Okay. Vinayak?
Okay, friends, I take an opportunity to conclude the group discussion. Friends, we had a very fruitful and good discussion, and our friends have given the problems, causes, and its effects, and later on we have given the how to overcome these challenges also facing during mental health. So first we have the classified into many how depends on ages and students online education. So we have classified the topic in many ways, and we have seen some our friend has also told how when he was affected by COVID, some Kerala Institute, how it was they have given suggestion on the mental health, and some of them told that how old age is peoples are increasing their disease due to this mental health. Some heart attack they have somewhat less, so it was increased due to mental health, they have said. And we have they have said about the how in COVID quarantine are there, so for them we can arrange some video calls so that their mental health can be reduced. And some remedies also they have given, like we can take the meditation, health diet, and some yoga we can do, and have a positive thinking in our mind. So these were the some group discussion. We had a very fruitful discussion. Thank you, sir.
Okay, so I think this everybody has concluded also. So let me tell you, this is very important topic: mental health issues during COVID. Keep thinking how you will gather the points and proceed forward. Introduction में Sagar could tell some kind of classification. He could tell some classification: old age, young age, children, and all. But it was not very precisely explained. I told you introduction is about couple of lines. Like friends, I introduced the topic to all of you, and this is a very relevant topic. And in my opinion, I think we can classify this entire topic into two categories. One, what are the causes of mental health, and then what are the remedies of that. So as far as the causes are concerned, friends, I can further classify all the causes into further these types. So then you can mention that. If you give that kind of structure, it is going to be very good. But when you give the structure, remember one thing: structure should be meaningful. It should not look like that you have done it only for the sake of doing. You cannot say that okay, the causes I can categorize only in two categories, let's say adults and children. It cannot be like that. So you need to give precise topic, this classification, so which covers exhaustively everything. That causes can be different as per the age group. So friends, I'm trying to classify the causes of mental health as per age group. Then the first comes the kindergarten kids, very small kids who missing their friends playing in the playground, and then comes adolescent who cannot socialize, then comes the job going people, then comes the housewives, then comes the old age people staying back home. So this is how, I mean, you have to give exhaustive classification. Siddharth could talk about lockdown and doctors. He tried to give some kind of classification, but I was not convinced because he did not elaborate further. And Siddharth, your trouble is that you do not elaborate in the introduction. Also, suddenly you abruptly you close your introduction within 1 minute, and you did not complete your classification as per me. And also in the body part also, you do not come back and back, you do not participate much, you need to speak more. And conclusion part was also hurriedly concluded, so very less things told in conclusion. So you have the points, you can speak also, Siddharth, but as of now you are very precise. In fact, in your words or sentences, you are not using more sentences in your discussion. That is a negative part for you. So the observer will be seeing that you are sitting idle, you are not participating. Amalesh said physical and mental health, something like that. He mentioned about categories that physical health se jada, I think mental health is the issue. Amalesh, you took the this particular topic in a little different direction in the introduction itself. You should have actually focused only on the topic mental health issues. तो उसका एक classification you should have given, proper classification. And then you mentioned about W Health Organization and mental health statistics and all. And but you are not to request any other member to stop that let me complete, and then you say you cannot do that during discussion. So don't try to coordinate. If somebody is saying, you cannot say okay, you stop first, let me complete. You cannot say that because it's a discussion, everybody will speak, right? So don't do that. So Amalesh, आपका क्या है कि थोड़ा सा फ्लुएंसी में अभी प्रॉब्लम है, फ्लुएंसी अभी मेंटेन नहीं कर रहे हो, स्ट्रक्चर को पकड़ो, फ्लुएंसी मेंटेन करो, दैट इज व्हाट यू हैव टू डू. वो प्रैक्टिस से आएगी. तो व्हेन वी आर सिटिंग हियर, व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग, दैट इज द बेस्ट पार्ट. सो इफ यू से व्हाट इज द बेस्ट वे टू प्रिपेयर सर फॉर जीडी, पार्टिसिपेट, टॉक, स्पीक. टॉपिक आपको पता लग जाना चाहिए कि ये रेलिवेंट टॉपिक है. यस, दिस इज अ रेलिवेंट टॉपिक. दैट इज माय हेडेक टू टेल यू दिस इज अ रेलिवेंट टॉपिक, and that is available on your PDA this website also. Relevant topics. Your headache is okay coming here and talking with others, learning कि structure क्या है और उसको कैसे participate करना है. That is your headache.
एक्चुअली सर मेरा जो प्रॉब्लम है वो इंग्लिश कम्युनिकेशन का है.
मैं उसी के लिए उसका मैं उसका सोल्यूशन बताऊंगा. अभी 11:30 पे इसी टॉपिक का मैंने एक्सटेम्पोर रखा हुआ है at 11:30 in the night. सेम टॉपिक का एक्सटेम्पोर 3 minutes का. उसमें सिद्धार्थ, Amlesh and Vaibhav, you 3 are to come. From the first group also 3 students are participating. So you 6 are to come at 11:30 in the night if you are available, and come for the extempore. In that, what you have to do is prepare on your page 3 minutes, 4 minutes ka topic, this mental health issues related to COVID. Prepare something for speaking for 3 minutes. Practice it. 11:30 is the time. Now you go and practice that how you will speak for 3 minutes. Keep watch with you and see, okay, am I in position to speak for 3 minutes? In that, introduction should be there, body should be there, conclusion should also be there, and that is extempore. So just practice that. तो बोल के ही वो जाएगा अमलेश, और कोई तरीका नहीं है उसका. तो अगर आपको कम्युनिकेशन का इशू है तो वो बोल के चला जाएगा. हिंदी में बोलना है बीच में, you can speak Hindi also, not a problem, but fluency is to be maintained. So practice is the only solution. जैसे if I don't know swimming, I need to practice. That's it. If I don't know how to speak in group discussion, I need to practice more and more. उसके लिए ये कर सकते हैं, जो GD चल रहा है वो तो है ही, साथ में extempore वगैरह करो. तो 11:30 पे you 3 can join on the same link. Other students will also be there, and just let's work out. Siddharth fluency is there, but Siddharth is not speaking. I want him to speak 3-4 minutes. Amlesh, आपका obstruction है, बोलो. वैभव का भी थोड़ा सा मेरे को लगा बोलने में hindrances आ रहे हैं. तो you 3 can come there. So Vaibhav ka flow, yeah, Vaibhav, same flow is to be maintained. Vaibhav, you have points, you can speak also, but flow is not there. So as of now, you are not in position to speak properly. You have some kind of speech impediment, Vaibhav? You can speak comfortably?
Yes, sir.
ओके ठीक है, तो अभी एक्सटेम्पोर तैयार करना और उसको 11:30 पे हम लोग पार्टिसिपेट करेंगे। राम ने कोविड को डिफाइन किया। राम, आई डोंट नो व्हाई यू डिफाइंड कोविड ओनली एंड यू सेड नथिंग अबाउट द टॉपिक इन द इंट्रोडक्शन। You only defined what is COVID all about, virus and all, but you did not talk anything about the topic. That was the blunder in introduction on your part. Conclusion you did very nicely, and body में भी तुम participate करते ले, लेकिन introduction part was not good for you. COVID you can explain, okay, what is COVID, but यहाँ पे the topic was to be discussed also. As far as Kiran is concerned, तो किरण ने क्लासिफिकेशन देने का ट्राई किया, लेकिन दैट क्लासिफिकेशन वाज नॉट वेरी क्लियर टू मी व्हाट काइंड ऑफ क्लासिफिकेशन किरण इज गिविंग, बट लेटर ऑन इन द बिगिनिंग ही सेड yes, he made 4 classification points, I think by age, but that I believe it was to be made even more precise. He said kids, adolescent, then health workers, and then something who are basically bothered about the job. So Kiran tried to give the classification, but that classification was not very well meticulous made classification, though he made the classification. So I don't know, Kiran, I want to say something on that.
Sir, I was thinking for categories like health work. I was not classifying based on the age and
So what were the 4 categories you gave, if I'm not wrong? This
health workers, they are due to the work stress, and the patients who is affected with COVID-19 because they are fearing of the death and all. And the other one is who are locked down in the city. They are not able to go to job and all. And the other category.
But why health worker only? Why not police wala? Why not other people?
Yeah, that I missed, sir. I was thinking about.
So actually, that is what I'm trying to tell you. When you give classification, don't give classification for the sake of giving it. Make a classification which is exhaustive. Suppose I give classification on the basis of the age. That is exhaustive. So let's discuss the classification on the basis of the age. Kids, very small kids, let's say school going kids, they are missing the playgrounds, Let's talk about adolescents, college going kids, they're missing their friends and socialization. Let's talk about job going people. Let's talk about housewives. Let's talk about old age people. Let's talk about, so you need to classify so that it becomes exhaustive, right? So that classification was there. Ritvik is where is Ritvik? He's not there, right? Okay, Vinayak, you could speak. I think you could work from home. Doctor, nurses, 18 to 20 is the most stressful age group. That is what Vinayak said. So Vinayak participation was average. I mean, that is how Vinayak, you participated. Introduction part, body part, conclusion part. Vinayak ne wo structure part pe Vinayak ne work kiya hai. So he's sticking to that particular structure part. I'll also give you one point, like you should give your own examples. If you give your own examples, that always good. Like in case of Kiran gave his own example and everybody was listening to Kerala example, what he was giving. So whenever you give a realistic example, your own example, everybody will listen. Examples really help you. So try to get some kind of example. Okay, friends, let me give example of stress or anxiety. So I know somebody in my neighborhood. So there was a case of COVID case. No, everybody is okay, but they're very anxious and they're very, very now tense that what can be the post-COVID syndromes or post-COVID implications. So they're very, very tense about that. So that is also one category. And then there is another fellow in the neighborhood. So he's having his own shop. So after every shutdown, I mean, shop business goes down. So he's also very tense. So you give your own examples, create example and give examples. That is actually, that will make your presentation even more effective. Right? Now, anything you want to ask me?
सर मेरे को पूछना है सर, वो जो इंट्रोडक्शन है ना सर, अगर उसमें मैं एक्सप्लेन करने लगूंगा तो वहाँ पे कोई ना कोई बीच में काट देगा सर। इतना टाइम तो ना देगा कि मैं वो जो आई बिलीव दैट के बाद टॉपिक के बारे में थोड़ा बताना है, तो वो कोई बोलने ही नहीं देगा। उसको लगेगा कि स्टार्ट हो चुका है, तो वो बीच में काटने की कोशिश करेगा। इसलिए सर मैं छोटे रखने की कोशिश करता हूँ कि वो छोटे में खत्म हो जाए एंड आई ओपन द हाउस फॉर डिस्कशन बोल के मैं मतलब ये कर सकता हूं।
एक्चुअली क्या होता है, इंट्रोडक्शन में दूसरा कोई काटता नहीं है, 1-2 मिनट तक नहीं काटता। अगर काटेगा तो उसके नंबर कटते हैं। Introduction में when somebody starts introduction, nobody cuts for 1 or 2 minutes normally, because if they will cut it, this is basically his marks will be cut. तो वो काटता नहीं है. और you should need to be fast. That is what the structure is. You need to remember a couple of sentences very fast, and if you speak those sentences fast, others will not enter actually. There's a reason. And Ram, only one line you have to think of. That is a topic wali line. Rest all are same. And उसका तुम्हें marks मिलेगा. Good evening, friends. My name is Ram, and I take the opportunity to start the discussion. Friends, the topic given for the discussion is this. In my opinion, it's a very relevant point, thought-provoking point. Now, friends, let's go for some kind of classification. You speak with such a fluency, and this all will be completed in 1 minute, and you have done your job. So, any out of 3 things, any one you do rightly, you have done your job. You'll be in. Yes, Siddharth.
Sir, okay.
सर
Yes.
इंट्रोडक्शन पार्ट में सिर्फ इंट्रोड्यूस मींस टॉपिक जो दिया है उसको इंट्रोड्यूस करके छोड़ना है क्या, उसका रीजन ये रीजन
Classification. जैसे ये था mental health issues, तो what are the causes and what are the remedies? Let's discuss on those. इतना सा बोल के, क्योंकि आपको ज्यादा टाइम देगा नहीं ना, वो दूसरा कट कर देगा. वो जो राम बोल रहा है पॉइंट, वो है रीजन कि why you should not talk in detail in introduction. बीच में बोलो ना उसको. Any question?
सर ड्यूरिंग डिस्कशन सर, मतलब एक तो हम लोग अपने पॉइंट्स बोलने में लगे रहते, तो हम पॉइंट्स लिखना भूल जाते. जैसे सर अभी तो मैंने थोड़ा ध्यान रखा था कि कंक्लूजन के लिए ये पॉइंट बोलने हैं, लेकिन सर रियलिटी में ऐसा होता है कि एक तो डिस्कशन के अंदर इन्वॉल्व हो पाते, या तो पॉइंट्स लिखने में इन्वॉल्व हो पाते. वो मैच मतलब
3-4 पॉइंट्स वर्ड्स लिखने होते हैं. दैट्स इट. 3-4 वर्ड्स, पॉइंट भी नहीं, सेंटेंस नहीं लिखना है, जस्ट राइट वर्ड्स. Sagar said this. Kiran said this. Kiran gave example of Kerala example. Kiran, बस इतना लिखना है. And then conclusion बोल सकते हो कि friends, we had a great discussion. In fact, like Kiran gave the example of Kerala, that was very nicely explained. So ऐसा बोलो बस. That's it. Words लिखो ना उसके सामने. Kiran Kerala ऐसा लिखो बस. इतना वर्ड बोलो. हाँ.
सर जीडी में जीडी में उधर पूछने का कैसे कि इंग्लिश हिंदी दोनों में कंबाइन चलेंगे, या फिर
इंग्लिश में चलता है नॉर्मली, बट अगर आपको हिंदी में देना है तो आप पूछ सकते हैं ऑब्जर्वर से कि सर आई एम कंफर्टेबल इन हिंदी, तो क्या मैं हिंदी में पार्टिसिपेट कर सकता हूँ? तो बोलते हैं हाँ कर लो, कोई ट्रबल नहीं. तो यहाँ भी प्रैक्टिस करो फिर वैसी. राइट. ओके, एनीथिंग एल्स यू वांट टू आस्क? चलो देन वी मीट दोस्त जिनको मैंने बोला है 11:30 पे एक्सटेम्पोर के लिए. बी रेडी. सिद्धार्थ, अमलेश, वैभव, बी रेडी फॉर एक्सटेम्पोर. प्रैक्टिस वेल. 3 minutes यू शुड फ्लो. राइट
सर पिछले बार से अच्छा था ना मेरा राम?
हाँ ठीक है. इट इज इम्प्रूव्ड. कीप इम्प्रूविंग. और मैं डाल रहा हूँ सारे वीडियो, देखते रहो उसको, खुद भी देखते रहो सारे.
यस सर, इंट्रोडक्शन पार्ट और अच्छा करना है.
हाँ,
और बेटर
इंट्रोडक्शन
करना है.
पार्ट क्लासिफिकेशन.
थैंक यू.
थैंक यू.
गुड नाइट.